Thank you for checking out my course, Creature Concept Design for Beginners. And this is a beginner course. And it's going to teach you how to design and create creatures, monsters, whether they be alien or fantasy or horror, any sort of monster or creature. I'm going to give you a system that's going to help you create that, whether it be for video games or if it's for graphic novels or whatever your own concept that you're trying to do. Design is different from illustration. Illustration is the finished, polished product, but before you can get to illustration or you can get to 3D modeling, you need to design it, and that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the process of designing. Maybe you've checked out somebody's speed drawing or speed painting video and thought to yourself, this is really cool, I really want to learn how to make some sort of monster or creature or something, and you tried to look at it and it was a great, wonderful speed painting, or maybe there's a book that you picked up that had a bunch of cool monsters and drawings in it, and you picked it up and it looked really, really cool, but it didn't really help you out. So what you're seeing right now is just simply a speed drawing. And this is not instruction. This is just a series of drawings that I sped up maybe 20 times its normal length. And it's a little bit of an artist showing off. And there's nothing wrong with that. And I like doing that. There's nothing wrong with it. We all like doing that. But this does not help you to learn or how to do this yourself. And that is where this course is going to come in. My name is Rich Grayson. I'm an instructor here on Udemy. And I am going to teach you how to design your own creatures. What you're going to learn in this course is going to be how to design any creature that you want to from your mind. I'm going to show you everything that consists of a creature design workflow, the one that I use all the time. You're going to start with the design document. You're going to move on to the thumbnailing process. So the design document, it lets you know what exactly it is that you want to draw. Thumbnails kind of are the blueprint. And we're going to go through a series of rough sketches, and then you're going to hit some inks, and I'm going to show you how to do that, and then we're going to do grayscale. So you'll have completed images pretty much like the ones that you see on the cover of this course. I know how frustrating it could be when you're trying to create something and you don't quite know how to put everything together. It gets frustrating, and especially when you're not finding good instruction. That's the reason why I created this course. Or should I say recreated this course, which brings me to my last point. This course is based off of this course. And it's called 30-Day Creature Concept Design, as you can see. And I'm so serious about you improving. I want you to have this absolutely for free for signing up. This is backed by Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. So go ahead and hit the enroll button, and I can't wait to start teaching you. This is a Udemy exclusive.